Come on in. Hey, Kevin.
Mimi, I forgot to give my mother a Mother's card, and today's Mother's Day, so I need one bad.
Slow down. Say that again.
I forgot to give my mother a Mother's card, and I need one bad. Like, bad.
Did you get her a gift?
No.
Oh, no. Well, you know, I'm just putting away. It's so bad. I have not put away the stuff from my Valentine's haul that I did and the wreaths that I made. So I was just kind of trying to organize the art closet. And I bet there's something in here we can use. I didn't use all the stuff from there. So why don't we see if we can make some cards? I mean, I have construction paper. I have glue.
You have stuff in there.
Hey, have you ever been in that situation? Look, our viewers. You see them? Hi. Well, you know, sometimes life gets in the way. You're at school, you're on vacation, you're doing different things, and time gets away from you. And before you know it, it's somebody's birthday or it's Mother's Day and you forgot that card or you forgot that gift. You know what? Moms really appreciate that homemade touch. So I'm sure we can make a card and, you know, and then embellish it with some fun things. I mean, I got stickers, I got all kinds of things here. And then, you know what? I have something from my Valentine's haul that I never used. And I said I would make something out of it. We could definitely make it for your mom. Okay. Why don't we go over to the art table and give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, come on over. Maybe you didn't get your mom something or make her something? Any dads out there that forgot? Today's the day. Let's get going. All right, Kevin. So I found this in my Valentine's haul bag. Sorry about that. This is one of those... Can you see that? So it's got letters and numbers and you can put any message you want on there and you can change it out, which is great. So you keep the letters and numbers in like a little pouch or Ziploc baggie or something and you'll have it, you know, for any message you want to put on. But for our purposes, we should put a nice message to Mom. What do you think it should say? What do you want to tell your mom?
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay. You want to say anything about her?
Sure.
Like what? Because you can say Happy Mother's Day in the card.
True. You're the best.
You're the best. That works. Or anything. I mean, what would you say about your mom? All right. So we'll do that last. I mean, that's the last piece of it to just, you know, take out the letters and numbers and put whatever message you want to do. But I found these too. Aren't these great? They're beautiful felt flowers in pinks and purples. And I know your mom likes pinks and purples. And what's nice is she could either put this like on a shelf in her library or, you know, in her bedroom, on her nightstand, or hang it up on the wall because it's got those grooves. And it'll be a message. So we have the hot glue gun, right? And then the paper we can use maybe on a card later. All right, so let's first, while you're doing that, the hot glue gun's getting warm.
Oh, I can feel the hot glue gun.
Can you? All right, so we'll be back in a minute. If you don't have one of these, you can get these at Michael's, the dollar store. They have these all
Amazon.
over. Well, if it's the day of, I don't think they're gonna have time to wait for Amazon. But you can run out to the dollar store or Michael's real quick or Hobby Lobby or some place like that, whatever's close to you, maybe even like a Target, and get something like this and then embellish it yourself with stickers. You can paint it. Oh, if we had time to paint, that would be great too. But in the meantime, I think these pretty flowers will be nice. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right. Put a bigger, I think a bigger dot of glue would be better. Push it on. You won't feel the hot glue through there. Want to make sure it goes on. She's really gonna love this. Big, 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 big.
That's big.
No, bigger, bigger. Because these are big flowers. You need a, there you go. There you go. because you want it to stay. These are so pretty.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and you could even
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
you could even flip it so you can reach it better. Now, if you need help with hot glue, please ask an adult,
Remember, safety first.
right? Or an older child, an older sibling in your house, someone to help.
And if you get it on your skin, make sure you wash it with cool water.
All right, well, let's hope we don't get it on our skin.
But in the event that you do, make sure you wash with cool water.
So we're gonna let this, look at how pretty that looks.
From my experience of hot gluing, we should let dry for 10 to 15 minutes.
I don't even think it takes that long, maybe a few. I would say
Just-
3 minutes, and then we can add the words. Let's see what he picked to put. In the meantime, we can start on a card. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so you know, I was looking for these patterns that I had when I used to teach in the classroom, and I couldn't find them. So I kind of tried to make it on my own. Do you see? Sorry, I started cutting. I got so excited. Do you see what word that is?
Wow.
Can you tell what word that is? W-O-W. What word does that spell? Is he right? Does that spell wow? Yeah, it does. Now, look what happens when I turn this upside down. Does it still spell wow? Or is it different letters? What do you think? What letters do you see now?
Mom.
What letters do you see?
M-O-M.
M-O-M. So this way it's wow, and this way it's mom. Wow, mom. This would be a great Mother's Day card. And I used to have my kids make this. So I'm gonna cut this out to make it a pattern for him, and then he's gonna do it on whatever color paper he thinks his mom would like. And then inside, he could write some nice message. And on the outside, maybe we could put some flowers or decoration. You could draw whatever you want on it.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. You could try it too. Okay, so you saw him tracing the pattern, and this is how it came out. See, it says mom, but look what happens when you open the card. Can you see that? It says, wow, mom. You got both words. Wow, mom. And then inside you could write your message. He's going to get some markers right now so he can decorate the front. But you could put stickers on the front. You could paint the front. You could use crayons. You could put embellishments, glue things on. Let your imagination go wild. But I think she's really going to like it. And I want to show you, this is dry. Look how nice that came out. Look at that message. She is gonna love this, Kevin.
I bet.
All right, so why don't you start coloring, and why don't you get making your card, and we can compare. We'll see what you did. I can't wait to see yours. All right, so why don't you show our friends what you made? Isn't that pretty? He's got flowers and clouds. And open it up. There's that wow, mom. What message did you write? Why don't you read us your card?
Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. I hope you have an awesome day meant for you. Love, Kevin.
Aw, she's gonna love that, don't you think? I think she's gonna love that. And your mom will love whatever you make. So if you were a little behind in making a gift or making your card, fear not. I'm sure you have something in the house, or can run out real quick to a local, hobby store and get some paper and markers and things that you can make for your mom, and she will love it. We wish you a happy Mother's Day to all those that are celebrating, and for any dads that are doing double duty, we wish you a happy Mother's Day as well. Grandmas, aunts, whoever, teachers, yes?
Yeah.
All right, so this is Mimi and
Kevin.
all right, and we will see you soon at Kids Stories and More. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.